Today is June 10th, 2024, and today we are discussing the safety of cosmetic thread lifts. Recently, Health Canada issued an important advisory on the use of absorbable threads for cosmetic thread lifts, also known as non-surgical facelifts. It is critical to only use Health Canada authorized threads specifically intended for cosmetic purposes. Unauthorized threads, or those meant for wound closure, can result in severe issues like nerve damage, infection, or skin irregularities. Unfortunately, there's a rising trend of unauthorized clinics and online platforms promoting these unsafe options. Health Canada is actively identifying and seizing such products to protect Canadians. Do-it-yourself thread lifts seen on social media are especially concerning. These procedures should only be done by trained health professionals. Before undergoing a thread lift, verify that the absorbable threads are Health Canada authorized. You can check this by searching the medical device's active license listing. If you have any concerns after a procedure, always consult a healthcare professional. Remember, a thread lift should enhance your sculpted confidence, but safety should always come first.